It's very bony.
Not that
tight.
long ago,
Like
brides-to-be were all about smartphone sharing with family and friends, those precious moments leading up to and including the big day. But social media being what it now is, the sharing has gotten out of hand, according to a survey by David's Bridal.
62% of brides say, hey, I don't want my gown being posted, presented, shared, before I get to the day. That's intended to be a surprise for my groom, and also I want it to be a surprise for my guests in many ways.
Brian Beitler, a VP at David's, says the survey found a major concern for couples is that with one click, a wedding can go from intimate event to trending online.
The majority of brides are saying, hey, for my first dance, for my first pic that we're going to share socially, let us do that.
He says it's become such an issue that some brides are actually into confiscation.
We asked the question of, are you leaving cameras or taking cameras away from your guests as they come? And really today only 14% of brides said, yes, that's something I'm going to do or I want to do, is to truly kind of constrain all of my guests from sharing socially.
So happy couples are being encouraged to set some ground rules for the ceremony, so to post or not to post aren't among the questions being asked that day. Chris Clackham, NBC News.